Game keeps flagging the OpenGL32.dll is missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. This DLL file is the primary Windows library for the OpenGL API. It translates high-level graphics commands into hardware-specific instructions for the GPU, enabling 3D rendering for professional design tools and classic PC games. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The OpenGL32.dll is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to Phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the OpenGL32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing the OpenGL32.dll error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing the OpenGL32. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time Windows OS Core GPU driver encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.